Hi, my name is Daniel Jora. Welcome to the second part of RAG explained visually. Today we are building a RAG, a chatbot using Azure AI Foundry. Go to portal.azure.com and let's create a resource group. A resource group is like a folder in which you put all of your resources. Let's give it a name, my chatbot 2025. And the region, let's choose East US the second. Review and create. Up there you can look for Azure AI Foundry. Let's create a hub. Let's choose the same resource group, my chatbot 2025. The region East US, the second. And let's give it a name. AI Hub chatbot 2025. Let's hit next. Let's create a new storage because all of our resources we are creating right now, they will be stored in this resource. Let's give it a name, storage, chatbot 2025, and the replication leave it as default. Hit save. Next, the networking, encryption and identity, because we are creating a demo, leave it as default. Hit next, review and create. Once our resources have been created, let's go to Azure AI Foundry. Go to ai.azure.com, log in. Let's create a new project. Project chatbot-2025. As you can see, our hub is picked correctly. AI Hub chatbot-2025, and let's create. And this is the dashboard of our project. Go to the left side of the navigating bar at the bottom to My Assets and hit Models and Endpoints. Hit Deploy Model, Deploy Base Model, and type in text embedding and choose text embedding ADA 002. And confirm. The deployment name, leave it as it is, and the deployment type, leave it as standard. And hit deploy. Now go back because we want to create a new model, a GPT model. Deploy model, deploy base model, and look for GPT. For this demo we can choose any GPT. Let's pick up GPT-4o. And hit confirm. Let's give it a new name, chatbot GPT-4o, and hit deploy. Now we need to add our own data in order to be processed by the embedding model. Go to the left side of the navigating bar at the bottom, hit data plus indexes, new data, and at the data source, let's search for connection. Choose upload file and folders. Upload files or folder, hit upload file. I have already created a document in which I present some of the rare cases of authentication and account issues. So we've got the first issue, the password reset link is not working. I forgot my password and I cannot access my account, or my account is locked after too many failed attempts. We are going to upload this file because we want to train the chatbot to give these specific answers. Hit IT support and open. As you can see, it's been uploaded. Hit next. Let's give it a name. IT support. Oh, sorry. IT support chatbot, and hit create. Now we need to create an index using a new service, AI search. Let's go back to the portal.azure.com. Up there you can look for AI search. Let's create this resource. Let's choose the same resource group, my chatbot-2020. Let's give it a name, AI index chatbot 2025. Let's choose the East US, the second one. And very important, do not forget to change the pricing tier, because otherwise, if you are not choosing the free tier, Azure will charge you a fee. Let's choose the free tier, select, review and create. On the left side of the navigating bar at the bottom, let's choose Data plus Indexes, go to Indexes tab, hit New Index, at the data source, let's choose Data in Azure AI Foundry, because we already uploaded our document. You can see that we've got IT support chatbot document. Let's check. Hit select Azure, connect other Azure AI search resource. We've got this resource. Hit add connection. Hit again this area and choose our index service. Let's give it a name to vector index, vector chatbot, vector chatbot. Hit next, create vector index. So let's test our chatbot. Go to playground, try the chat playground. Let's give the model some instructions and some context. Right now we are testing the chatbot without our vector database, without our own documents. Let's ask what we should do when the password reset link is not working. I need help. Hit enter. As you can see, it doesn't say anything about email provider striping the link. It says something about check the link expiry, copy and paste the link, use a different browser, clear cache, ensure internet connectivity, disable VPN. And now let's ask the chatbot the same question, but we need him to query our own data. Go to add your data, select available project index, and you can see the index we created, vector chatbot. A new chat session started. So if we ask him the password reset link is not working, I need help, at the bottom of the chat history you can see one references, which is our document. And if you go up to check your email for issues, you can see that he answers something like this: ensure your email provider is not stripping the link due to security filters. Now that we tested and see that everything worked okay, it's time to build the actual chatbot. Go to prompt flow, create. We can explore the gallery and we can see a sample called multi-round Q&A on your data. Hit clone, give it a name or leave it as it is, clone. Hit start compute session running, inputs, leave it as it is, outputs, leave it as it is. And at the modify query with history, we need to give it our connection. Hit this connection, deployment model, hit chatbot, which is our chatbot, and the response format text. On the lookup, we've got to give two values. The first value is a registered index, and the second one is our vector database. Hit save. Query type hybrid vector plus keyword. At the section chat with context, we need to give the same connection. Deployment name ChatGPT GPT. Response format hit text. Don't forget to hit save. And now let's query our chatbot. We've got some solutions, rare causes, and some of them is your email provider might be stripping the link due to security filters modifying URLs. And final step, deploy your model.